Exploring profitable opportunities in traditional goat farming, the role of IFBIC in enabling foreign investment.
In recent years, there has been a growing interest in traditional businesses as investors seek reliable and low-risk investment opportunities. Amidst the hype surrounding startup bubbles and the subsequent investor losses, traditional sectors have emerged as a stable and profitable avenue for investment. This article focuses on the potential of goat farming in the Mithila region of Bihar, India, as an ideal opportunity for profitable investment. With a large local market for meat consumption and abundant subsidies available, the region presents a lucrative and sustainable option for investors. Furthermore, the International Federation of Business Intellectuals and Changemakers IFBIC has played a crucial role in facilitating foreign investment in this traditional sector, ensuring 0% loss and indefinite profits.
The Mithila region boasts a population where 80% of individuals consume meat. This high meat consumption rate strengthens the demand for goat products, making goat farming a promising and potentially profitable business venture. Even with local goat breeds, investors can expect to double their initial investment within just 1 year by operating on an industrial scale. The region's economically backward status translates into affordable land values, low labor costs, inexpensive goat feed crops, accessible goat shelters, and veterinary services. These factors significantly reduce the initial investment risks associated with goat farming and make it an attractive proposition for both domestic and foreign investors.
Goat farming in Mithila offers several unique advantages and profit potential for investors. Goats are renowned for their ability to survive in adverse conditions, making them resilient livestock. This adaptability contributes to the relatively low mortality rate among goats and reduces the risks associated with animal husbandry. Additionally, the business of goat farming in Mithila is bolstered by various cultural and religious festivals which command premium pricing for goats. The demand for goats also remains high during events like marriages, mundane, political campaigns, religious ceremonies, and hotel requirements. These diverse profit avenues contribute to the robust profitability of goat farming and provide multiple income streams for investors.
Recognizing the untapped potential of the traditional goat farming sector in Mithila, the IFBIC has taken the initiative to promote and facilitate foreign investment in the region. Through mutual understanding and collaboration with the local government and farmers, the IFBIC has proposed the establishment of the largest goat farm in Mithila. This ambitious project, backed by a $250,000 foreign investment, guarantees 0% loss and promises indefinite profits ranging from 20% to 80% for potential investors. The involvement of IFBIC ensures transparency, risk mitigation, and the implementation of best practices in goat farming operations. They provide expert guidance and support to foreign investors, leveraging the expertise and resources of local farmers and the government. By partnering with the IFBIC, interested parties have a secure and reliable investment opportunity in the traditional goat farming sector.
In a world often dominated by flashy startup narratives, traditional businesses offer a reliable and risk-free investment alternative. Goat farming in the Mithila region of Bihar stands out as a highly profitable endeavor due to the local market's meat consumption patterns and the availability of subsidies. The region's economic conditions further facilitate low-risk investments in goat farming. With the support of the IFBIC, foreign investors have an opportunity to explore this traditional business, leveraging the expertise and resources of local farmers and the government. By embracing this age-old industry with a new approach, Investors can enter a sector that promises significant returns without the hype often associated with other investment options. The IFBIC's role in enabling foreign investment ensures transparency, risk mitigation, and the implementation of best practices, making goat farming in Mithila a secure and profitable investment opportunity.